All right, let's go to the next layer down, this layer here. Click on the layer mask using black and a hard round brush. Let's do it again. Let's get in close and start concealing the image. Go around his hand and then go around his sleeve. Make the brush bigger to get other areas. Let's go around his hand up here. Now this is where it's going to get time consuming, is doing all these details. But these details are going to make the design look really good. The more detailed you are with your designs, the more realistic they will look. You might be asking yourself, how is he doing this so fast? And I can tell you that I'm using a pen. I'm not using a mouse. You probably figured that out by now. I'm using a Wacom Cintiq monitor. After I started learning Photoshop and learning about the layer mask and how to use the layer mask, I learned that I might need to invest in a screen that I can draw on to get my designs looking really good. And it happens a lot quicker if you can use a brush instead of a mouse. And one way you can accomplish this, if you don't have a Wacom Cintiq monitor, is you can use your iPad, because you can download Adobe Photoshop on your iPad and use the Apple Pencil on the layer masks in Photoshop on the iPad. So that's looking good up here, but now I want to get down here to reveal his leg. That guy that's sitting on the other side of the table is over here. Let's reveal him, make our brush smaller, and get into those nooks and crannies. There we go, that looks good. Can't do this side over here because that's another layer. That's this layer here. But I can still do this part down here. There we go. We also have to go and work around his head here. At this point here, we could use a soft round brush to go around the hair, because the hair is usually soft. We want to use a soft round brush. Once we're done, we can use a hard round brush again. So you can go back and forth, hard round brush to soft brush, depending on what needs to happen. There we go. Let's go down his back and finish it off. There we go. This lesson will continue in the next video.